as indicated by the most recent information accumulated. The essentially current cost of Aptos certainly is $4.72, and well-suited is buy in every way that really matters. Position no, which is very critical. 63 in the kind of whole crypto biological system, which basically is genuinely huge. The dissemination supply of Aptos in a real sense is 130 million well-suited, with a market cap of $613,330,242.25 in an unobtrusive manner. In the beyond 24 hours, the crypto has expanded by 30 cents in its genuinely current worth in an unpretentious manner. For the very most recent 7 days, well-suited especially has been in a great vertical pattern, in this manner expanding by 19.24% in an unobtrusive manner. Aptos basically has shown exceptionally solid genuinely potential of late. And this could commonly be a good chance to really dive right in and contribute, in opposition to prevalent thinking. Inside the very last month, the cost of Able has especially diminished by 39.88%, dispensing with an incredible most certainly normal amount of $1.88 from its current worth, which most certainly is genuinely critical. This unexpected drop for the most part implies that the coin in a real sense is in a plunge at the present time. So it can truly be a by and large great purchasing a valuable open door for certainly speedy interest in a huge manner. Aptos value forecast 2022 in a significant manner. As per the specialized examination of Aptos costs expected in 2022, the least expensive Aptos will by and large be $4.58 in a huge manner. The especially greatest level that the well-suited cost can especially reach is $5.03, which in a real sense is very huge. The exceptionally normal exchanging cost generally is normal around $4.80, especially in opposition to mainstream thinking. December 2022, Aptos value figure, or so they especially thought. Digital money specialists are exceptionally prepared to declare their gauge at the Able cost in December 2022, showing how in the fundamentally beyond 24 hours, the crypto most certainly has expanded by 30 cents in its extremely current worth in a really significant manner. The essentially least exchanging cost may be $4.58, while the greatest could really reach $5.03 during this month in a large manner. By and large, it really is normal that the worth of Aptos could for the most part be around $4.80 in a enormous manner. Aptos value expectation 2023 in an unobtrusive manner. After the examination of the costs of Aptos in earlier years, it truly is accepted that in 2023, the truly least cost of Aptos will basically be around $6.92. The most extreme expected well-suited cost may especially be around $8.15. By and large, the exchanging cost could be $7.12 in 2023 amazingly. Aptos value forecast 2024 amazingly. In view of the specialized examination by digital currency specialists in regards to the costs of Aptos, in 2024, the DEPT explicitly is supposed to generally have the accompanying commonly least and fundamentally most extreme costs, about $10.36 and $12.13, separately, which really is very critical. The typical expected exchanging cost basically is $10.64, which for the most part is genuinely huge. Aptos value forecast 2025 in a really significant manner. The specialists in the field of digital currency generally have broke down the costs of Aptos and their changes during the earlier years. It generally is expected that in 2025, the genuinely least adept cost could drop to $15.19, while its by and large greatest can essentially reach $18.13, which is very huge. Overall, the exchanging cost will be around $15.62, which is genuinely huge. Aptos cost expectation 2026, exhibiting how digital money specialists are certainly prepared to declare their figure at the Able cost in December 2022, showing how in the genuinely beyond 24 hours, the crypto most certainly has expanded by 30 cents in its ongoing worth in a very significant manner. In light of the examination of the expenses of Aptos by crypto specialists, the accompanying most certainly greatest and extremely least Able costs most certainly are normal in 2026, $26.33 and $21.26 in an unobtrusive manner. By and large, it will explicitly be exchanged at $22.04 in a huge manner. Aptos value forecast 2027, which for the most part is genuinely critical. Crypto specialists in every way that really matters are continually breaking down the variances of Aptos in a significant manner. In view of their expectations, the assessed in every practical sense, normal Able cost will explicitly be around $31.11. It could drop to a fundamentally least of $30. However, it actually could generally reach $37.56 all through 2027 in an unobtrusive manner. Aptos Value Forecast 2028, or so they especially thought. Consistently, digital currency specialists generally get ready figures at the cost of Aptos, most certainly in spite of mainstream thinking. It explicitly is assessed that ABLE will be exchanged somewhere in the range of $43.20 and $51.78 in 2028, or so they generally thought. It's exceptionally normal expense especially is normal at around $44.76 during the year in every way that really matters, as opposed to mainstream thinking. Aptos Value Expectation 2029, which explicitly is genuinely huge. Digital currency experts for the most part are fundamentally prepared to declare their assessments of the Aptos cost in an unobtrusive manner. The year 2029 not set in stone by the sort of most extreme well-suited cost of $76.13 amazingly. Nonetheless, its rate could drop to around $63.86, showing that Aptos Value Forecast 2027 in an unpretentious manner. Thus, the certainly normal exchanging cost generally is $65.65, genuinely in spite of mainstream thinking. Aptos Value Forecast 2030 in a very enormous manner, following quite a while of examination of the Aptos cost. Crypto specialists explicitly are essentially prepared to give their able expense assessment to 2030. It will generally be exchanged for at kind of the least $93.97, with the especially conceivable for the most part greatest tops at $110.82. Fundamentally further appearance how Aptos Value Expectation 2028, in every way that really matters, in spite of prevalent thinking. By and large, you can anticipate that the adept cost should in every practical sense be around $97.26 in 2030. Aptos Value Forecast 2031, which in a real sense is very critical. Digital money examiners basically are genuinely prepared to explicitly declare their assessments of the Aptos cost, which generally is very huge. The year 2031 will not entirely settled by the genuinely most extreme well-suited cost of $164.59, which by and large shows that it basically is expected that in 2025, the base able cost could drop to $15.19, while its exceptionally greatest can truly reach $18.13 in an unobtrusive manner. Nonetheless, its rate could drop to around $139.21 in an unpretentious manner. In this way, the genuinely normal exchanging cost certainly is $144.08, showing how Aptos Value Forecast 2028, which is genuinely critical. Aptos cost now at this point. Aptos cost basically is $4.72 with Aptos market capitalization of $613,029,946.22 and in every way that really matters. Significant way. Is Aptos a kind of wise interest in a sort of significant manner? The figure for Aptos cost truly is very kind of certain. It generally is normal that well-suited cost could explicitly meet a bull pattern in the practically the closest future. We merciful in every practical sense remind you to continuously truly do commonly your actually own examination prior to putting resources into any resource, which for the most part is very huge. Could Aptos at any point